The most stunning are pallasites, iron nickel studded with gem-like olivine crystals that glow like stained glass when sliced. Mesositerites, another type, are chaotic mixtures of rock and metal, fused by violent asteroid collisions. Stony irons tell stories of both creation and destruction, of worlds forming, colliding, and merging. They offer unique insights into planetary interiors and the dynamic history of the asteroid belt. Rare and scientifically priceless, they're also breathtaking works of natural art. Each one is a cosmic storyteller, blending science and beauty. They remind us the universe creates both wonders and chaos. Sometimes the sky puts on a show meteor showers, when dozens or hundreds of meteors streak by each hour. These showers happen when Earth passes through debris left by a comet. As the comet nears the sun, it sheds dust and rock, creating a trail in space. When Earth plows through this debris, the particles burn up in our atmosphere, creating a flurry of meteors. All the meteors seem to radiate from a single point, the radiant giving each shower its name. Watching a meteor shower is a direct connection to the cosmos. No telescope required. Each streak is a tiny piece of a distant world, burning up in a final blaze. It's a reminder that space is alive with history, and sometimes it puts on a brilliant show. To catch a meteor shower, timing and preparation are key. The Perseids in August and the Geminids in December are the most famous, predictable, spectacular, and visible from dark locations. The Perseids offer warm summer nights and up to 100 meteors per hour. The Geminids, despite the cold, can be even more dazzling. Other notable showers include the Quadrantids in January and the Orionids in October. For the best view, find a dark spot, let your eyes adjust, and look up after midnight. You don't need special equipment, just patience and a clear sky. The side of Earth facing into its orbit sees the most meteors before dawn.